standing here in Banten, Bui Division, Northwest region, inside the LELIV Oat trial farm. Here you have oats that I've tried in this environment to see if it can do well, and there you see how wonderful the thing is going. It is now at the flowering stage. It's now at the flowering stage. So you know what oat is, how nutritious it is, a very good cereal. So I want to introduce it to my people here in Banten, Bamenda, Northwest as a whole. Why not Cameroon? So the seeds were given to me by my sister. He brought it from the States. So here if you can see, like this is just half a kilogram that I tried here, and it is showing great. See how green the thing is. Grown organically using Titonia diversifolia liquid manure, still made by us, the LELIV farmers. So I encourage you, because this is seed that I'm preparing for next year, where we increase the production, because as you can see, the oat is doing extremely well. Thank you. This oats flowering stage. Greetings once more from wherever you are watching this video. Nkum Subdivision is my name, founder of LELIV, Living and Livelihood Combination, where we promote organic agriculture, and also we grow crops that people think that they are not possible to be grown here. Here now I'm standing inside my wheat farm in Banten, as I said, the highlands of Bui Division. We have grown this wheat organically using our Titonia diversifolia flower. We have planted it here also to guarantee sustainability and availability. So that is our main ingredient that we use in making our liquid manure, where we use in applying this our crop. So as you see, wheat is doing well. We'll be baking our things there well, promoting especially whole wheat flour production. And if you can see, look at the way the wind is just, I don't know. I'm just being happy with what I'm seeing. So my dear people, my dear Cameroonians, please divest your food. Introduce things that are healthier in your system, such as wheat. I started by showing oats, the barley. Now we are inside my wheat farm, LELIV wheat farm in Banten. Ciao! Meet me if you need more explanation. Thank you for where you are watching. Greetings once more. I'm standing here in the garlic farm owned by Barley based in Kuala. The partner will LELIV to grow the garlic. at the stage of harvesting. Very soon they will be harvesting. So as you can see, grown organically using that same manure. Because you know the nutritional value of garlics and the medicinal value of garlics is a very good, strong antibiotic. As I said, you are growing it using that organic manure. We don't encourage chemicalized farming. So very soon, this is part of the garlic farm. More than half of this farm is far inside there, my second plot. So, as you say, Barley together. Thank you. It's grown beside the wheat farm, as you can see. Yeah, as you see, I've just dug it like this, so it's almost ready. It's almost ready. It's almost ready. So you see our proceeds organically grown. Very strong. Here in my barley farm, 6R. So here the barley is almost ready. The barley is almost ready. See, those are also things that I want to introduce to my community. Let my people eat healthily. Well, we can be using it in making our pap, our corn, our barley fufu. Why not barley bread? So, and it is healthier as compared to maize. So as you can see, it's almost at the harvesting points. So by the end of January, we're going to have a harvest. Between mid-January and ending January, when it is really dry, that we can harvest now and thresh. So, good morning, greetings, LELIV farmers. So you can imagine the August guests that they are visiting the LELIV farm, where you have the oats, barley, and wheat, right in Banten, the highlands of Bui Division. So, Father Garba and Father Godi, your observations, please. Father Garba, you are the first to talk.
I'm very impressed because, like the oats and the barley is my first time of seeing them. I know the names, but I've never seen them being like that. And I'm sure they'll follow and see how to get, even if it is half a kilo, they will have a gram and see how it's going to happen. And I've tested some of the products that you have.
Okay, good, Father Godi, what about you?
Something like Father Garba, this is my first time to see these. What I had seen before was on the wheat. So I've only been reading them in the Bible.
Thank God for everything now.
So I really thank God that what I'm reading in the Bible, that what I'm explaining to others, difficult to explain to others what you yourself you have never seen. So I've learned a lot. And it's like a journey to Palestine.
Thank you, so, thank you very much.
So thank you very much. We are so grateful.
Yeah.
I thank God for this wonderful initiative of Madame.
Thank you very much.
Merci.